Hello, I'm Christine Johnston and I work at Health Shield as their Facilities Manager. As a not-for-profit friendly society, what we do is in the sole interest of our customers. Through our health and wellbeing products, we help them lead healthier, happier and more productive lives. We've been working with Construction Linx since 2011 and over that time they've completed a range of over 250 facilities jobs. We feel we have a great working relationship with all of the team at Construction Linx, including John, Danielle and Sarah. They've been fantastic in organising and arranging all the works we carry out, and especially the business-to-business handyman service, which we utilise weekly. We particularly see the benefit of working with Construction Linx on the handyman service, as this provides us with a weekly member of their team. They help us with our maintenance and repairs and with all the legal compliance works, as well as keeping the working environment a safe and pleasant one. As for their tradesmen, they're like a family here at Health Shield. Steve, Joe and Dave have been instrumental in helping us with our day-to-day maintenance needs, as well as reactive works and helping us complete our recent office refurbishments. Their health and safety compliance is exceptional. I found the housekeeping and cleanliness better than any other company I've worked with over the years. Needless to say, I would not hesitate in recommending Construction Linx, as they have certainly become one of our preferred contractors here at Health Shield.